Hello guys, how to fix if your Windows 11 or 10 PC not using all the RAM inserted in your system. Then what to do when all your RAM not is used by your Windows 11 10 system? The first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type msconfig. It will open your system information configuration windows, system configuration window. Here go to boot tab from the top menu bar and choose advanced options. And here boot advanced options, make uncheck against option maximum memory and click on OK. Uncheck the box and click OK. Finally choose apply and OK. Restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system. You must restart your Windows 11 and 10 system. The second workaround to fix this issue is if your Windows system RAM, then right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side go to Windows Update and install. Click for check for updates and download and install if any latest update available for your operating system in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of such type of error. The next workaround is again right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type the command as shown on the screen. This command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. This command path is as shown on this text box. Simply copy this path and paste it in run command run dialog box. It will open performance windows on your system. Performance option window will open. Here go to advanced tab from the top menu bar and go to advanced tab, and under virtual memory click on change. Click on it. In this windows uncheck the option automatically manage paging file size for all drivers and make the check against box no paging file, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Windows 11 and 10 system using all your RAM or not. If not, the one more fixes is go to Windows memory diagnostic tool, type Windows memory diagnostic and open this tool. It will clear all your Windows memory related issue. Check your computer for memory problems. Choose restart now and check for problems. Recommended and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Your problem is